Hello and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Thursdays. This week, a quick and easy topic, but one that's been requested a lot. A couple of months ago, we released the beta version of our next generation TrendHub, and if you start working in TrendHub, probably you don't want to go back. Now, how can I easily convert my views from the old TrendHub into the new TrendHub? We are all engineers, we like efficiency, so we built that into the old TrendHub interface to make it very easy to migrate from the one to the other. So that's what we're going to cover today. Let's dive in. To start off, we're going to load one of my pre-existing views that I have already in TrendMiner. So I'm going to open my work organizer and only look for the TrendHub views. And for example, I will load up this view right here that I used in a previous Tutorial Thursday. There we go. So I have in total 5 tags. I'm looking at a period of 8 hours. Now you already noticed when I opened up the view from my work organizer, I could of course select to load a view, load the tags, or only load the layers. But I also have a new button available to me, which is open in the new TrendHub. And that's basically all I have to do. And when I click here, it's going to open a new tab. It's going to take me to that next generation TrendMiner beta. And I have the option here to load, again, only the tags. But in this case, I'm going to load the whole view. So I'm going to click over there on load view. And it takes a couple seconds. But now I have this beautiful screen with all those improvements we made in the new TrendHub with those same 5 tags shown on my screen. And I can close out the left-hand menu to even go into full screen mode to see a lot more. From here, if I want to save this view to the new TrendHub, I will go into Actions and I will save as and call this my new TrendHub beta view. I'm going to choose to add this to the folder of Tutorial Thursdays. Hit select and double check that my options are good. So I'm going to look at the live view, looking at the last 8 hours with the live mode on, meaning the next time I load this, it's going to load into live mode as well, and then hit save view. Now it's important to remember here that I can load a view from the old TrendHub into the new TrendHub, but the other way around does not work. So I have to remember if I make changes now to this new TrendHub view, that those changes will not be copied to my old TrendHub universe. Not a huge deal, but just something to be aware of. And there we have it. That's all we had to do to convert our view from the old TrendHub into the new TrendHub universe. Note that once we are finishing the beta program, all of our views will automatically be migrated as well. So that's going to be a way for you to migrate everything. But if you don't want to wait, the way I showed you today is how to get started today with your existing views in the next generation of TrendHub. Thank you and see you next time.